Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous day today. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? I would like to advise you guys to please use your own discernment. That's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What the Scorpios needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies. Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? This reading is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And for some of you guys, it could not be your energy. So please take only what fits in your story and leave the rest behind. Okay? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. First, we have the Queen of Wands. This is your current energy, current situation. And we have here the Ten of Swords. This is the challenge in this reading. The Star is the spiritual lesson. You also have the High Priestess. This is the past energy. The Two of Swords is the present energy. And the future is the Temperance. Let me see your attitude in this reading. Is the Ace of Pentacles. The hopes and fears is the King of Pentacles. Sorry, this is the outside influence, is the King of Pentacles. The hopes and fears is the Chariot. And the outcome is the Page of Cups. Yeah. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your card readings for today, guys. All the black magic return to sender. And the name of the Divine Most High. Negative energy will go back to sender, go back to sender. No forms of weapons will prosper against the whole collectives. No forms of weapons will prosper against me. In the name of the Most Divine High. Amen. So my beautiful souls, let me see your card readings for today. If this is not your story, don't bother. Take only what fits in your story and leave the rest behind. Okay? The first foundation of your reading, this is the current situation, is the Queen of Wands. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Or it could also be that you have a fire sign in your birth chart. I don't know what is your story here. I feel like this is your energy. This is your current situation. You are sitting in your throne. You look vibrant and magnetic. You take good care of yourself. You look good, you smell good, and you feel good with your own skin. This is your energy. You are very confident. And you don't need other people to validate you because you knew your worth. You knew who you are. You are a go-getter. Others of you guys, it could also be that you are inspiring other people and you give hopes as well. And people viewed you as an independent, magnetic, charming, gorgeous, sensual, hot, and very attractive person. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. It's because in tarot, there is no gender. And this is your energy. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of Leo. And this person viewed you as an independent, magnetic, a sensual, and a very confident person. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, okay? And we have here the challenge in this reading is the 10 of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing or you are attracting or dealing with a person who has an air sign in their birth chart. Could be Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Could also be other sign. And this is the challenge in this reading. Because I feel like you ended up this tough cycle in your life. You managed to close. This is the closure, the completion. Where people are backstabbing you. Where people are manipulating you. Where people are spreading lies and rumors about you. Where people are engaging you in betrayals. Where people are trying to destroy you. Most of these people, they engage you as well in black magic, witchcraft, voodoo. For some of these people, they prayed for your downfall. Others, they are prayed that you will have an accident. This is the past scenario. I never say at present because this is the closure. They did everything to mock you down. They slander your name and assassinating your character. It's because this person or group of people, majority are envy and jealous on you. I never see all people. This is a minimum of 10 persons. Could be that this group of people or person is in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle. Could also be your ex or in the community. And this is the past scenario. While they created too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart because they want to mock you down, to destroy you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I don't know what is the reason why these people are so hateful on you. But majority, as I have told you, they are intimidated with your aura because you are very confident, the Queen of Wands, and you are independent. You are also magnetic, charming, gorgeous, and you are a go-getter. You knew your worth and you don't need other people to validate you. And that's the reason on the way how to handle yourself. Even though you are kind and compassionate to this group of people or this person, they couldn't handle your energy. They couldn't handle your aura. They couldn't handle your confidence. And that's why majority of these people are envy and jealous about you. I feel like for some of these people, they have more resources than you. They have also nice car, good job, good position at work. It's not about money. It's not about career. It's not about car or whatever somebody possesses in their lives. But the truth is, they are jealous and envy of your aura, on how you carry yourself to the public, on how you show your compassion and generosity to other people, and that's the reason why they are jealous on you, on how you carry yourself. It's not about with other material things, because I feel like for some of these people, they have more resources, more money than you, and they are also having a higher position than you. But envy and jealousy are rampant nowadays. It doesn't matter if you are kind to this person or group of people. If a person is jealous and envy about you, they will create conflict in your life. First, drama, conflict, and everything, and so on. And that's why they tried to destroy your life, because they couldn't handle your energy. They couldn't handle that you are very confident and very independent person. And aside from that, you're glowing. You're very attractive. For some of you, you are magnetic. And that's why I feel like this is your challenge, because there are still lots of people, even though you are closing this scenario, you give closure. You are no longer dealing with this person or group of people anymore, because this is the past scenario. For some of you guys, you cut off the ties of this group of people or person in your life. You also block in your social media and in your mobiles. This is your challenge. It's because I feel like there are still people who are planning to harm you, because this is your energy. You are the Queen of Wands. And for some of these people, they couldn't believe that despite of what they have done to you, this pain and burdens they created to you in the past, you are still shining. You are still, sitting in your throne. And this time is more, what do you call this? More energy, because you are magnetic, you are sensual, you take good care of yourself. You pamper yourself. You are very confident, independent, and you give hopes and inspiration to other people. This is your comeback after what they have done to you. They couldn't believe that they didn't destroy you, despite of what they have done to you, this group of people. I never say all. Please don't misinterpret. I said a minimum of 10. Maybe this is in your surroundings. Yeah. Your family, your co-workers, your friends, your ex, or in the community. It could also be involves your relatives. I don't know. The people who are in your surroundings. And that's why they couldn't believe and they couldn't imagine. This is your challenge, because the universe advises you to disengage these people if they want to repeat again what they have done to you in the past. Because this group of people now are, what do you call this? They are sufferings of what they have done to you. This is like everything what they did to you backfires on them. They want to backstab you, and in the end, they are the one who backstab themselves. And that's why this is your challenge in this scenario. The universe advises you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to be strategic, to be analytical, skeptical, and logical, especially when you are dealing with this group of people in the past. When they are going to approach you, I never said that they are bad, but the universe wants to remind you to learn your lesson, and that's why this is your challenge. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Star. This is the spiritual lessons in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or a person who is in public eye. Or it could also be that you have an Aquarius in your birth chart, or you are in the public eye. I don't know which is your story here. I feel like this is the moment you find the light at the end of the tunnel. After the devastating storm, chaos, destruction, and havoc happened in your life in the past, you managed to find the light at the end of the tunnel. For some of you, it could also be that you have a sacred insights. Maybe you have an innate spiritual gifts. This is a gift from the universe which was given to you during the time you were born. And the universe advised you here to use your innate gift to inspire and give hopes to other people. Others of you guys, it could also be that this is your energy. You held from your past trauma, or you are continuing your healing journey. For some of you, you are recuperating because you have gone through in your life, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is not a joke. This is a painful scenario in the past where people are creating you too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. And that's why you need to heal this trauma. You need to rest, to rejuvenate, to recuperate. And I fully understand you that you are in this energy. Others of you, you already healed and you have peace and tranquility in your surroundings because you are no longer engaging with this group of people anymore. You disengage this group of people anymore. This is your challenge because I feel like there are some people who wants to do the same what they have done to you because of jealousy and envy. You are the Queen of Wands energy. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. In Tarot, there is no gender. It could also be that you are dealing with a person who is in the public eye, or you are in the public eye, or both of you are in the public eye. For some of you guys, it could also be that you have a platform in social media and you are giving an inspiration and hopes to other people, and that's why they viewed you as a star. It could also be that somebody here is pretending as a star, and this person wants to backstab you again because this is your challenge. I don't know. That's why be very strategic. You manage to close this painful cycle. That's why you find the light at the end of the tunnel. And for some of you, the universe wants you to remind your lesson in the past. That's why this is your challenge. Others of you, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of an Aquarius wants to heal the trauma and or the grudges between you and them. Could also be a person who is in the public eye. I don't know who is this person, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For most of you, this is your energy. The universe remind you that you are on the right path. You need to follow the stars in your journey because this is your guiding light. Your guardian angels and the divine ancestors guide you along your journey. Take only what fits in your story, and this is the spiritual lessons here. And we have here the High Priestess. This is the past energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or it could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You have a sacred knowledge. For some of you, it could also be that you are a light worker, a star seed, a psychic, a shaman, a spiritual advisor, a guru, or a tarot card readers. I don't know what is the nature of your job. For most of you, this is related to spirituality. You are following your intuition. You are keeping lots of secrets. This is the sacred knowledge, the sacred insights, abilities. You are the holder of the key of all the secrets. It could also be that you are dealing with a person who embodied the energy of B as in Boaz or J as in Jechan, the two pillars outside the gate of the King Solomon. For some of you guys, it could also be that somebody here is keeping secrets on you. This person wants to reveal their feelings or their secrets towards on you, or there is a secret is going to reveal here. I don't know which is your story here. Others of you guys, it could also be that you knew the secret, but you are keeping it on yourself because you don't want to tell them their secrets because you don't want to intimidate this person. Could also be this person is hiding agenda on you. I don't know, maybe a secret, a hidden agenda, or their feelings towards on you. The universe advises you here to pay attention to your dreams and the synchronicities, and to listen to your intuition. That's because I feel like somebody here is hiding secrets, a mysterious, a shady secrets. It could also be that there is a secret here being revealed. Take only what fits in your story. Maybe you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or it could also be an Aquarius, because this is your previous card before, the High Priestess. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And the present energy is the Two of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody is in the crossroads. Somebody here need to take an action to make a decision, a final decision, an important decision in their lives. It could be that this is your energy, because there are people who wants to blindfold you. There are people who wants to put you in a confusion. Whoever these people are, could be a Libra, could also be a lawyer, could also be a person who has a higher position in the society, could also be a group of people in your family, in your friend circle, could also be in your workplace, could also be your ex, or in the community. Somebody here needs to make a major decision in their lives. It could be that this person engaged you in a third-party situation, a love triangle, and this person needs to make a major decision, because the attention of this person is divided into two, and this person is confused. Or it could also that this is your energy towards to this person. I don't know which is your story here. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For most of you, I don't think that you are what do you call this? I don't know that this is your energy. I don't feel that this is your energy. I feel that this is the energy of other people with whom you are dealing with. Could be a Libra, could also be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, because you are the High Priestess and the Star. You have a clarity, you have an illuminations, your mind is as clear as a crystal, and you knew the truth. I feel like somebody here wants to blindfold you. This person wants to block your third eye chakra in order for you not to know the truth. Could be a Libra, could also be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. The universe advises you here to rest and calm your mind, to be strategic, and to use your intuition. It's because the truth is, you are not blindfolded. This is only the conflict between your mind and your heart. All you need to do is to clear up your mindset, because this is only a temporary in your life and it won't last longer. In making a decision, be true and be honest to yourself, and use your intuition. Okay? And we have here the Temperance. This is the future energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. I feel like you are finding balance in your life, or you already find balance in your life, because you alchemize the painful experience you have learned in the past. You learn your lessons. That's why you manage to find balance in your life. You are following your intuition, and you trust the process of the universe, because you have faith in your journey. Others of you, you are heavily protected here with your divine angels. Maybe you cannot see them, but you can feel them. And I feel like for some of you, you have peace and tranquility in your surroundings. It's because you ended up this painful scenario. You close this cycle where people are causing too much pain in your mind and in your heart. And that's why you find balance in your life. You don't want to make a rush action because you want to move moderately. You realize that balance is the key in your life. Could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Sagittarius, and this person wants to give balance in this relationship. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please. This is your attitude in this reading. This is the Ace of Pentacles. For some of you guys, you are opening the golden doors. You are opening the doors of golden opportunity. This is a possibilities related to material world. It could be a creativity, an investment, or a business venture. And you have lots of possibilities here to succeed because you have a great potential. And you are also ambitious and courageous. Aside from that, you have also perseverance to create an action with this new creativity, an investment, or a business venture. This is a new beginning of golden opportunity that will lead you to success. The universe advises you to nurture this golden opportunity. Take only what fits in your story. Okay, this is your attitude in this reading. And we have here the outside influence is the King of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. It could also be that you have an earth sign in your birth chart. Could also be other sign. I feel like for most of you, this is your energy. You are embodied the King of Pentacles. It doesn't matter if you are male or female because in Tarot there is no gender. And the energy in Tarot could also be reversal. For most of you, this is your energy. It could be that you are a wealthy person because you have a financial success and stability. It's because of your hard work and legacy. Could also be your self-made success. For some of you, maybe you are a CEO, an independent contractor, or a successful businessman or businesswoman. I feel like this is your energy. You are a matured, practical person. It doesn't matter if you are male or female because in Tarot there is no gender. And for some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Taurus or an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. And this person is willing to support and uplift you. It could also be that this person is willing to support you financially. I don't know who is this person, but normally the King of Pentacles is already married. Could also be that you are dealing with this, with the children or the wife of this person, or this person was already divorced. I don't know, but the King of Pentacles is normally a successful person, an independent, and having a financial success and stability is a married person. Could also be that you are dealing with the children of this person. This person wants to uplift and support you, or it could also be that this person viewed you as a successful person, as a wealthy person, or you are dealing with a wealthy person and this person wants to support you. For most of you, this is your energy. Others of you, you are manifesting. You are still working in order for you to reach this, the King of Pentacles. And I feel like you are halfway there because you are very hard-working person. And if you manifest this, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, your manifestations will come true if you believe and you trust yourself, and of course the magic of the universe. Could also be that this person wants to uplift you, to support you financially. or this is your energy towards to this person who embody the energy of an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Take only what fits in your story, okay? This is the outside influence, and your hopes and fears in this reading is the Chariot. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer. You have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like there is a fast movements here. For some of you, you overcome your conflicts and you are stepping forward towards your victory. And this time, you are driving your own chariot because you want to put your own destiny in your own hands. That's why you don't want to give the key to other people, especially when you are going to the journey of your own destiny. Others of you guys, it could also be that you are going to have a new car. I don't know. Or you are traveling or relocating somewhere else. Or somebody wants to travel towards on you or to relocate nearer on you. Could be a Cancer. Could also be other sign. Others of you, you have an inner will and an inner strength. It's because you overcome your conflicts, your doubts, and your fears. And now you are ready towards the journey to achieve your victory in life. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Cancer wants to win over you, or this person is feeling entitled of your victory. I don't know who is this person in your life. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And the outcome of this reading is the Page of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here wants to apologize you. This person wants to offer you a cup of love, to inspire you, to support you. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Others of you, this is your energy. You learn to love yourself unconditionally. It's because you realize that you cannot pour others' empty cup if your own cup is empty. For some of you, you are going to receive spiritual messages, psychic downloads, and you need to listen to your inner voice. This is your intuition, the wisdom of your heart and your body. Others of you, it could also be that this person is in your family. This is a young person, could be in your family. Could also be that this person is a gay or a queer, and this person wants to either apologize you, to inspire you, to offer you a cup of love, and to celebrate with your success. I don't know who is this person in your life. The universe advises you here to listen to your inner voice and to pay attention with the spiritual messages and psychic downloads. Could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart, and this person wants to apologize you, to return, to celebrate with you, to socialize with you, to drink and dine with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the 10 of Swords. The 10 of Swords, thank you, spirits, is clarified as hopeless. Yellow. The 10 of Swords is clarified as hopeless, sinking, despair, falling apart. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. Could also be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, or a group of people. Could be in your family, could be in your workplace, could be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. This is the past scenario, and this is your challenge. Because somebody here wants to have access on you. You look, because you cut off the ties of this group of people, because they are enough. They causes you too much pain and burden in your heart and in your mind. You close this cycle. You are no longer dealing with them anymore. You don't care with this group of people anymore, and that's why these are their feelings towards on you. They are feeling hopeless. They are feeling sinking. They are feeling in despair and falling apart because access denied, no communication, it's closure. Enough is enough. And that's why these are their feelings. In the past, they backstab you, they mock you down, and in the end, they taste their own medicines. You look, these are their feelings towards on you. They are feeling hopeless. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the star here. Why the star in this reading? Please tell me more about the star in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the star here, please? The star is clarified as withdrawn, single, lonely, solitary. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or a person who is in the public eye, or you are in the public eye and you withdrawn this scenario. You don't engage with this person anymore. You choose to be alone, to be in solitary than to be with this person who embody the energy of either an Aquarius or a person who is in public eye. It doesn't matter which signs. You choose to be alone, to be in solitary mood than to be with this person, because I feel like this person is one of this group of people who cause too much pain and burdens in your mind and in your heart. And this is enough. Enough is enough. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Chariot here. Why the Chariot in this reading? Tell me more about the Chariot here, please, for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The Chariot is clarified as thinking, messing you, craving, and desiring. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. But the Chariot is embodied the energy of the Cancer. And this person is now thinking, craving, and desiring on you. This person could be your ex or a new person. Could be a Cancer. Could also that this person is trying to approach you, to travel towards on you, to relocate nearer on you. I don't know which is your story here. This is the feelings of the person towards on you. Thinking, craving, desiring, and they are missing you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Clarify me, please, the Temperance in this reading. Where the Temperance here, please? Tell me more about the Temperance here. The Temperance is clarified as time, waiting, cycles, moments. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. And this person is waiting the right time, waiting the right moment to approach you. Could be a Sagittarius. This person knew as well that they are running out of time. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Two of Swords in this reading. Why the two? Thank you, spirits. The Two of Swords is clarified as perspective, better off, happiness, clear head space. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. And this person wants to have a new beginning with you, to have a clear space. This person viewed you as a perspective. Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ. And this person wants to be happy with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This person could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. And this is the feelings of the person towards you. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the High Priestess in this reading. Why the High Priestess here, please? Tell me more about the High Priestess here. The High Priestess is clarified as trapped, stuck, tied down, and captive. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of the High Priestess is feeling trapped. This person is feeling stuck, feeling tied down and captive. It's because this person is hiding secrets on you. Maybe this person wants to reveal their secrets towards on you. Could also be their feelings towards on you. Could also be that this person is betraying you and they never tell you their secrets, what they have done to you. And that's why somebody here is shady, doing something in the dark. Could be a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. You look, and this is, or these are the feelings of this person towards on you. And this is their feelings now. Because this is the present feelings, present energy. Take only what fits in your story. Could be that you are dealing with, sorry, this was happened in the past. And I feel like this person betrayed you, keeping secrets on you. Could be that you are dealing with the same water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please. The Queen of Wands here. Why the Queen of Wands in this reading, please? Tell me more about the Queen of Wands here. Escaping, avoiding, blocking, pushing away. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Leo, or you have a Leo in your birth chart, because this is the clarification of the Queen of Wands. Could also be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but normally the Queen of Wands is a Leo energy. Could be that you are dealing with a Leo and you are pushing away this person. You are escaping, you are blocking and avoiding this person. It's because I feel like this person is one of this group of people who backstab you, who are spreading lies and rumors on you, who are slandering your name, assassinating your character, who tried to mock you down, to destroy you. Could be a Leo. And now this is your energy toward to this person. You don't want to talk again with this person. You don't want to connect with this person again. You cut off already the ties. Everything. Enough is enough. Could be a Leo. Could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, why the Ace of Pentacles here in this reading. Tell me more about the Ace of Pentacles here, please. The Ace of Pentacles is clarified as elusive, dishonesty, deception, and trickery. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. And it could also be that this person engaging you in a business, in an investment, or a creativity, but they are doing trickery behind the scenes. They are not honest to you. They are an illusion. It could also be that this person wants to offer you this new creativity, new investment, or new business venture. But remember, this person is not a real deal. Be very careful, because this is your attitude in this reading. The Ace of Pentacles. Somebody here pretending to offer you this creativity, this new business venture, or this new investment, but the truth is not. This is not a real deal. They want only to take your money, to trick you. This is an illusion. Could also be a group of people. Could also be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. But be very careful when you are going to engage with these new golden opportunities, because there are people who only wants to trick you. This group of people, or this person, is dishonest. This is not a real deal. This is fake, an illusion, delusion, illusion. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the King of Pentacles in this reading. Tell me more about the King of Pentacles here, please. The King of Pentacles is clarified as beginnings, try again, new direction, start over. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Could also be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. This person wants to have a fresh start with you, a new beginning. Could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. You look, this is the next card before the Ace of Pentacles. Must be very careful because this person viewed you as a wealthy person and they wants to offer you. You look, they are dishonest. They wants to trick you, to take your money. They want to invest you, to engage you in an investment or a business or creativity, a business venture or creativity, because they want to trick you. They want to take your money. So be very careful when you are going to engage with this creativity, this new business venture or an investment. Take only what fits in your story. And this is this feeling of this person towards you, to have a fresh start and a new beginnings. Could be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. And clarify me please why the Page of Cups in this reading. Tell me more about the Page of Cups here. The Page of Cups is clarified as, you look, bitterness, anger, hurtful words, resentment. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a water sign, fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. But normally this is the energy of the Pisces, and this is the feelings of this person towards you. Bitterness, anger, hurtful words, resentment. I don't know who is this person in your life. Could be this is in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be in your friend circle, could also be your ex or in the community. Could be a Pisces. The Page of Cups is normally a Pisces. Could also be a fellow water sign. Could also be other sign. But we based on the card. This is the energy of a Pisces. And this is the feelings of this person towards you. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here, for subscribing to my channel, and for everything, your support on my different videos. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye!